time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget, I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Every day I try to find things in a new set, but late at night I look for those I will never get. Symptoms of my sickness always fade and come back. I wonder how we could have met. Everyone is telling me it's late to complain, 'cause now the games are over, I'm just wrecking with pain. Cages, light of cages to subside, it's so vain to say. The hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Distance, we've got distance to blame. Anytime it blows your mind, distances can put on a flame. Loving God that's far, we better keep it apart and find some way. The hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for an end. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. 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 All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that